back to another video. So I'm actually going on the road, so you guys are going to doing this is a get ready with me video plus behind the scenes of my friend's photo shoot. So I hope you guys would stay intact for the rest of this video, and I'll see you in the next clip. Guys, we're now at the venue. She's already dressed, so ready to take some bomb ass photos. So I will show you how it actually go out. Well, I guess I'll show you bits and pieces of the pictures, or you know, just getting her ready and stuff like that. Okay, stay tuned. So this is the end of this video. Subscribe so you can see more videos like this, so I can continue doing YouTube. Comment to motivate me, and share so other people can see. All further ado, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Tiana, TI_ANA __. Follow me on Twitter at gold_Tiana and the #1. So guys, that's the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.